I don't know where I was going with that. Trying to help you figure out how to swap out light switches on a three-way switch. Three-way switch. Ooh!
Hello in TV land. You know, you could always just take a page out of Alton Brown's book and maybe do some hand puppets. Preferably with some eyes, because this just doesn't work.
Close the circuit on a thing with your arms and I really gotta figure out how to say that without screwing it up. Oh, for crying out loud, Andrew, this should not be that hard. I've told the story 1,000 times. That said, the first time that I ever tackled a project on my own home that involved electricity, I was very, very cautious about approaching it. Hesitant, you might even say. That is a really corny joke. Why did I have to do that? Oh. That was... I'm a gazelle in the wilderness. Gazelle in the wilderness. I don't even know what that means, but I am a gazelle in the wilderness. This haunted me into my adulthood. If you've ever seen me change the battery on a car, or not change the battery on a car, because I don't change batteries on cars very often, if you've ever seen me jump start a car, you would see me being very... When I was a kid, my dad used to tell me stories about his time in the Navy, and I closed my eyes for a really uncomfortably awkward long moment there, so I'm going to go back and do this again. Honestly, the only thing that I ever took away from that was that you could potentially kill yourself with lightning. Not with lightning. Lightning bolt! Lightning bolt! I wound up with a really, really deathly career for her. Game over.